Hi there, welcome back to ChangFunLearning. I'm Chang. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to introduce yourself in Chinese. Self-introduction is an essential part of building relationships and starting a conversation with people. You don't need me to explain why it is so important to learn. And at the end of this video, you'll be able to greet people, tell them what your name is, your nationality, occupation, and hobbies. Let's get started. First, I'd like to review some common greetings in Chinese. But if you haven't watched my latest video talking about how to greet like a local in Chinese, you can click on the top right corner to watch it. The first one is 你好, 你好, as in hello in Chinese. And then the second one, if you're introducing yourself to a group of people, you need to make you plural. So you say 你们好, 你们好. So just simply add 们 after 你 to make it plural. 你们, 你们. So you say 你们好 as in hello everyone. Or another one to say hello everyone is 大家好, 大家好, 大家好. 大家 means you all. So hello you all is 大家好. But if you're greeting based on the time of the day, if it's in the morning, you can say 早上好, 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 as in good morning. 早上好. What about afternoon? 下午好, 下午好, 下午好. And then good evening is 晚上好, 晚上好, 晚上好. Next, we'll learn how to introduce basic information about yourself in Chinese. First one, if you want to tell people what your name is, you can say 我是. For example, my Chinese name is Liu Chang. In Chinese, family name comes first. So you say your last name and then your first name. So my Chinese name is Liu Chang. So I can say 我是刘畅, 我是刘畅, which means I am Liu Chang. Or you can say 我叫刘畅, 我叫刘畅. 叫 means call. So basically, 我叫刘畅 is I am called Liu Chang. People call me Liu Chang. So either one, you can say 我是刘畅 or 我叫刘畅. Just simply add your name after 我是 or 我叫. So the second one, to introduce where you come from. After many years of teaching experience, I think if you just say, I am this country's person, it's way easier to understand and to remember. For example, I can say, 我是中国人, as in I am Chinese. 中国 is the country, China, and then 人 is person or people. So you just put the country, 中国, and then 人 together. So 中国人 as in Chinese people. So I can say 我是中国人 as in I am Chinese. Or if you're American, you can say 我是美国人, 我是美国人. So you just simply put your country and then 人 together. So you're saying you are this country's person. 我是中国人 or 我是美国人. The next one, I'm going to teach you how to introduce your occupation. So if you're a college student, you can say 我是一个大学生. 我是 as in I am. 一个 as in one. And then 大学生 is college student. The number 1 is 一 in Chinese. Then what is the 个 between 一 and that 大学生? I want to point out one very important grammar, which is in Chinese, we have more measure words than in English. So what is measure word? In English, you can say a glass of water, a cup of coffee, a slice of pizza, or a cup of tea. So the one cup of, one glass of, two glasses of is the measure word. So the measure word for person, people, or student, teacher is 个. So if you want to say I am a college student, you can either say 我是一个大学生 or 我是一名大学生. 个 or 名 both work for student. So one more time, if you want to say I am a college student, you can say 我是一个大学生 or 我是一名大学生. So you just simply add your occupation after 我是一个. For example, when I introduce myself, I say 我是一个老师. 我是一个中文老师, Chinese teacher. And if you're a computer engineer, you can say 我是一个电脑工程师 or 我是一个软件工程师, software engineer. So just simply add your occupation after 我是一个. And then the next one, I'll teach you how to introduce your hobbies to people. The easiest way to tell people what your hobbies are is I like. For example, 我喜欢游泳, I like swimming. Or I like watching movie. 我喜欢看电影. Or I like listening to music. 我喜欢听音乐. So we just need to learn the verb phrases for your hobbies. Verb phrase is verb plus a noun. For example, watch a movie is watch verb and then movie noun. So put them together. Watch a movie is verb and noun. So verb phrases. I like watching movies as in 我喜欢看电影. 我喜欢看电影 or 我喜欢听音乐 我喜欢听音乐 I like listening to music or 我喜欢打篮球 I like playing basketball 我喜欢打篮球我喜欢打篮球 or I like learning Chinese 我喜欢学中文我喜欢学中文 I also want to teach you how to ask questions that are related to self-introduction. So the first one is, may I ask your name? What is your name? So you say, 请问你叫什么名字?请问你叫什么名字? So 请问 is please may I ask? And then 你 is you. And then 叫 is call. And then 什么 is what. And 名字 is name. So may I ask how people call you or what your name is? 你叫什么名字? What is your name? So, 你叫什么名字? Literally translation is, you called what name? And then the next one, to ask people where they come from or what is their nationality. So you say, 你是哪里人?你是哪里人?你 is you, 是 is are in this sentence. 哪里 is where. And 人, we just learned it. It means person or people. So you are where person. You are where people. So 你是哪里人?你是哪里人? The next one, to ask people what do they do for a living. You can say 你做什么工作?你做什么工作?你 is you, 做 is do, 什么 is what. 工作 is occupation or job. So you do what job? 你做什么工作?你做什么工作? And then the last one, to ask people what they like to do, what their hobbies are. You can say, 你有什么爱好?你有什么爱好?你 is you, 有 is have. 什么 is what. 爱好 is hobby or hobbies. So you have what hobbies? 你有什么爱好?你有什么爱好? So these are the common sentences and questions about self-introduction that I wanted to teach you today. I hope this video is helpful to you if you just started learning Chinese. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about today's lesson, please leave your questions in the comment area down below. I'll see you in the next video.